Today, we celebrate the placement of the final steel beam of the major renovation and reconstruction of our new campus. And now, without further ado, let's watch as the final beam is raised. Can we have a drum roll, please? So today is a very exciting day for Bel Air High School and Big Red Pride. We are celebrating our topping out ceremony. So there's a long-standing tradition in the construction industry that when the last steel beam is placed on a structure, we celebrate that placement. So here at Bel Air, that's why we're all gathered today as Highlanders, excited in making so much progress toward the goal of the construction and renovation of our new school building. Every classroom will be equipped with an interactive display board, which the teacher can sync into their laptop to display presentations, use various online resources that our students use as they navigate themselves through the curriculum and instruction throughout the school day.
We have kept our community's confidence and delivered on these promises. Here at Bel Air High School, the oldest portions of the school will be transformed into 190,000 square feet of classrooms and offices that will match the innovative and modern beauty of the existing athletic complex.
You can't imagine how exciting it is. It is just a dream come true, really. This area has not had, they've had Bel Air High School since 1957, and that's a long time. And now we are going to have a state-of-the-art school for our kids, and that it just means the world to this community.